Do you know what you're breathing while welding? When you weld, it's not just metal that melts, it's also everything you breathe in. Welding fumes are now recognized as harmful for your health, even in the long term. That's why working safely is no longer optional. And that's exactly where Aertorch comes in. A fume extraction torch designed to protect the operator without changing the way you work. It feels like a traditional torch. It's lightweight, well-balanced and moves naturally. And while you work, it effectively extracts fumes without interfering the shielding gas. You have direct control of the suction thanks to the integrated regulator. The flexible joint and cable system ensures smoother movements, and everything is designed to reduce fatigue throughout the day. Compared to traditional extraction torches, the experience truly changes. Less bulk, better visibility of the weld pool, and greater freedom of movement. In short, you work the way you always have, but you breathe better. This is Aertorch.